Hello everyone. So in this video I will discuss about quadratic equations, and quadratic equations are a type of polynomial equation of the second degree. The general form is written as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where x here is the unknown variable and a, b, and c are the constants, and a should not be equal to 0. If a becomes 0, then the equation will become a linear equation. So there is a restriction about the value of a, whether it could any be a form of real numbers, but it could not be equal to 0 because it would actually make this equation a linear equation, because it will um, erase ax squared in here, and you're only left with bx plus c, which indicates a linear equation because it is on the first degree equation. Now, if we are to continue, the name quadratic comes from the Latin word quadratus, which means square. This is because the equation represents the area of a square in geometric terms. So in quadratic equations, they can have either one, two, or no solutions at all. This can be better explained as we discuss about the discriminants as we move forward in um, discussing more about these lessons. But I would like to give some flavor of this video lesson, since with, we have an interest of relating this topic on the Mobile Legends as one of the famous esports today. So let's say, for example, we have here Zilong. So perhaps some of you knows this hero Zilong of the Mobile Legends Bang Bang. So let's say, for example, Zilong has a special ability that allows him to create his speed quadratically for 10 seconds. So let's say the speed function is given by s is equal to, let's say the speed of Zilong is in the quadratic equation, s is equal to 2t squared, 2t squared plus 3t plus 5 plus 3t plus 5. So let us write it down in here. S is the speed in units per second, and t is the time in seconds is the variable t. As we are saying, Zilong has an ability that allows him to increase his speed quadratically for 10 seconds. So at the start of the ability activation, which is from 0 seconds, which is the time, if t is 0, then we will eventually fully understand that the initial speed of Zilong will be 5 units per second, because this will become 0 together with this. Let's just substitute 0 into the equation. So this is 0 squared plus 3 times 0 plus 5. So 0 squared is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, so we are only left with 5. Meaning to say, our initial speed for Zilong at 0 second is 5 units per second. Okay, so this is the initial speed of Zilong. After 10 seconds, this means that his speed will increase quadratically by this quadratic function here. We just simply substitute the given value of 10 to the variable t. So this is 10 squared plus 3 times 10 plus 5. So, by evaluating the equation, we now have 10 squared is 100. So, that is 10 times 10. And then we also have 3 times 10 is 30. And then we only simply copy the constant plus 5. We all know that 2 times 100 is 200. So by simply multiplying those numbers, we have 200 here plus 30. So that would be all in all 235 units per second. So that is one of the applications of quadratic equation by considering the hero Zilong in this example. So I will give more examples as we move forward to this lesson. Thank you so much and see you on the next video.